Okay, the first thing is to assemble your conduit. To assemble your conduit, you're going to take your clamp, slide it on. You'll put your coupler for the conduit in that slides all the way against one side. This side allows for a little bit of adjustment if you need to change length of your total conduit. So we'll slide that in, and this piece will just slide to the length you need it, and it is slightly adjustable that way. After your conduit's together, we're going to be piecing all the water pipe in. The water pipe is just going to slip together through the O-ring. So before you do that, you just want to make sure there's no debris inside any of the fittings. Debris is going to clog up your drinkers if you get anything in there. So you just slide these in, and then we can bring the clamp in, and the clamp is just screwed together with 2 1/4-inch screws. So we'll hold that down. And screw these together.